Hello everyone, I am ADITYA BHAT from Computer Science and Design Engineering branch studying at Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. My idea is smart bandage. Today I am doing the presentation on the smart bandage concept. So we will see the what is smart bandage. Okay. What are smart bandages? Smart bandages are the innovative medical devices designed to improve wound care and monitoring. They incorporate various technologies to enhance the healing process and provide real-time data to healthcare professionals. So, we will see some features of this smart bandage. Okay. So, first feature is wound monitoring sensors. It contains wound monitoring sensors. These are embedded sensors within the bandage to monitor various wound parameters such as temperature, pH level, moisture, and bacterial load. This data can be transmitted to a smartphone for remote monitoring by the healthcare providers. Okay. Next feature is drug delivery system. Okay. Smart bandages could have drug delivery mechanism to release medications or growth factor directly onto the wound site at specified intervals. This feature would be particularly useful for chronic wounds or post-surgical care. Um, After biomechanical feedback, integrate sensor that can detect the pressure, tension, or compression on the wound. This information can help healthcare providers adjust the bandage or advise patients on proper wound care techniques. Okay. And next feature is hydrogel bandage. A smart bandage with hydrogel component that can provide a moist environment for the wound. It can also change color, indicate the infection, or change its wound condition. And smartphone integration. Nowadays, it's very helpful. Smartphone integration is very helpful for nurses also, and it's to check the patient's conditions. It's very helpful for them. So, develop a companion smartphone app that pairs with the smart bandage to provide the patients with easy access to wound data and reminders for bandage changes and direct communication with healthcare providers. So nowadays it's a very important concept, technology. Okay. Next concept is biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials. Consider using biodegradable or eco-friendly materials for the bandage to minimize the environment impact. Next feature is cost effective solutions. Strive to develop smart bandages that are affordable and accessible to wide range of patients, including those in low resource healthcare settings. User friendly design. Focus on creating a bandage that is easy for both patients and healthcare providers to apply and remove. Apply, adjust, and remove. It's user friendly. It has to be user friendly, right? So that they can use this very easily. Right? And yeah, this is the prototype diagram of smart bandage. This is the I will show you. This is the wounded person's hand, and the smart bandage is applied to um, patient. Okay, and this bandage provide the data to healthcare providers, such as it will detect the pH, how much pH is there, and moisture, pressure, and compressions, and it will detect the compressions also, and the how much wound is there, that will be also detected, and can this will calculated, and this data will be sent to the healthcare providers, so that they can easily medicate the patients, right? So they can easily uh, they say that what the medications the patients have to do, right? And it will sense the moistures also, and bacterial infections, how much bacterial infections are there, which um, apply to this right, this right, if means this included what charging systems also, means we have to charge this for days, right? We have to charge this every day, so that that means day by day we have to change this, so it may be irritates for you, but this feature is very helpful for what healthcare providers also, and it's comfortable for users also. It's not, it's the same as the now our normal bandage, but the thing is what this transistor and sensors, these features are some advanced, but other things are same as the our normal bandage only. So this is user friendly also. Some demerits also there, like it have to day we have to daily change that, and otherwise we have to charge it. And yeah, it's other, of course, it can you reusable. But what is the thing is we have to charge it daily. Daily charging means it's irritate, right? Right. So this is the demerit. But the benefit is very high, because I told, right. So this is my idea. Smart bandage designing, how it designing. This is my idea. So thank you for watching.